Okay, we're going to give you a look at our NC Kappa reporting tool. It's based on the GoForms platform, and it is a application that is on all of our technicians' smartphones. So I've plugged my smartphone into a flat screen TV, so let's have a look and just make a report. So first thing we would do is we'd go in and sync, make sure we've got the latest templates. Open up the templates, go down, there's our NC Kappa version 7. Let's use that, and let's set a number. So the number is set within the file name. Do signature. If we go into the PDF form that's in behind it, we can see that that signature block has been placed on every sheet so that the end user can be assured that none of his input can be altered. Turbine number, that's added to the file name. Work order number, location, person writing the report, date, time. That was let's just say our event was earlier in the day. Category of hazard, it's a non-conformity, this one. It could have been anything in that list, but we'll stick with non-conformity. And our type of hazard. Well, lots of numbers and letters there. What do they mean? Well, the beauty is we can jump back to the PDF, have a look at our matrix there. I'm going to say that's a C and an occasional, and I'm going to say if it was allowed to go unchecked, it could be critical. So that would be a C3. So we'll put in C3, and that brings us on to page 2. So page 2, this is where we put in a summary of the events. So we actually write in what we found, where we found it, and who was there. So let's just add some text in there. Yeah, that should be enough. And we could have had an intervention here. Was there an intervention? No, there wasn't. If there was, we would describe that in the next text area. Now, can we close the report? Well, no, we can't, because there are further actions required. Who are those actions assigned to? Well, in this case, it's Mr. Jens Krippner, our technical manager, and he'll want some further investigation. So we can actually put in some recommendations ourselves here in this text area. So let's just do that. There you go. Torque the rest of the bolts. Fine. So that brings us on to page 3. Page 3, this is where this application really shows its power. You can go in and use the camera and take a picture on the spot, or you can go into a picture that you took previously. You can sketch on that picture to highlight detail, and as they say, a picture speaks 1,000 words. So let's just let's zoom in and show where that bolt has come from, and one more, I think, showing the bolt in a position where it's unlikely to be effective. There we have it. And we can put in some text there. Let's see. and that is actually the report complete. So all we need to do now is complete the document. That's it done. If we go into our QHSE folder, we should find that document arriving sometime soon, because it's now being generated in an email system and will be emailed automatically without any further user input. But here's one I've prepared earlier. So it comes in this format. It names the user who sent the document or sent the report. It gives a copy of the report with all the information in it, including our photographs, which of course are invaluable. So we hope you liked it. It's made a huge difference to our HSE reporting within the company and has been a huge success.